How to activate due dates in Wrike. To activate due dates in Wrike, follow this video to the end. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can activate due dates in Wrike. So the first step is to log in into your account, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, the next step or the next thing to do is to create a task that you would like to add due dates for. And how do you do this? Move to the top right corner of the screen and then click on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon in the box displayed, you'll see different options, right? Ensure you click on tax. After clicking on tax, you can see save to where you want to save to. Then you have to add the name of the tax. And then once you're done, click on add and open and then wait for it to be created. Then in the creation stage, where this box is being displayed, you can see the option personal, you can see assigning, then you can see due date. So just click on this, or sorry, dates, and then set date. Then you can see start date and due date as well as duration. So the first step for you is to select your start date, and then you can now edit your due date as well. All right, and then once you're done, you can add a duration. Okay, and then once it's done, go to the lower part of the calendar and click on save, and then that is it. That is all. The tax has been created and the due date has also been activated. So that is how to go about it. You can just continue with your work. When the due date, you'll receive an information or a notification when the date is due already. But this is how to go about it. This is how to activate due date. It is very simple. Ensure you try it out. Thank you.